pag-ibig mo. Morning Philippines in the world. Yeah. I'm Oscar, this Millennial Memo. Personal stories of a millennial government employee living here in the province of Nueva Ecija. So yeah, I got a good news and bad news to you personally. So kahapon, nag-chat sa akin si Sir JP, the program chair of BSCOM SAI sa Holy Cross, telling me if okay lang ba sa akin na magturo ng 6 to 8 p.m. ng face to face, no? Previously kasi ang pagtuturo ko doon sa Holy Cross is not totally face to face, but twice a week. Sometimes once a week tuwing Sabado. Depende sa akin kasi I'm here sa Palayan City. Travel ako doon 1 hour. Kung ang time ko dati is 5 to 7, and they are obliging me to be there at exactly 5 to 7 or 6 to 8. I think late ako. Second one, pagod ako. Though it's part, syempre mapapagod ka. But yung kasing dati, pa-part-time ako, then hindi naman totally nakakapagod kasi online sabihin ko sa mga estudyante ko, ito yung video posted na sa YouTube, watch. Ano lang, kasi kasabay ko yung Wesleyan ganun lang naman. Then up to them if they wanna really watch it, ganun lang naman. So doon I am sure that yung mga teachings naman na pinaprovide natin is on point, no? Kasi sa actual and sa online same lang naman ng setup no? Sa actual hindi din naman sila makikinig, no, to be honest, no? Mangilan-ngilan lang yung mga makikinig, 2, 3, 4, but most of the class will not listen, diba? Anyway, yun nga, 5 to 7 obliging me to be there at exactly 5. Out ko City Hall 5. So that won't be possible. Hindi possible na gano'n ang setup. Sabi ko, sir, baka pwedeng 1 day compress magkakasama. Either 6 to 9 yan, pwede. Kahit alas 10 pa ng gabi, okay lang. Hindi talaga kasi pwede, 2 talaga schedule. And then Sabado face to face din. The entire is face to face. So based sa akin nakikita, it's not worth it kasi una pagod ako. Mapapagod ako, babiyahe ko TTH 6 to 8, and yung expenses pa, di ba? Dati once lang ako pupunta sa Holy Cross, and yung gasoline ko kasama na yung daily trip ko is umapatak ng 1.5 a week. Paano kung 3 times pa na pupunta ako ng ganun kalayo? I think umaabutin na siguro mga 2,000 or 2-3 ganun diba? 1 to 5. Pagod ko pa. And so I decided na I will no longer accept any sa kanila part-time. Not totally stop na, no? If there's a chance that they would offer me the the flexibility of teaching again, no? I would grab it kasi sino ba naman ang ayaw ng makapag-share ng knowledge, di ba? It's part of who I am, sharing, teaching. I think there's a reason for that siguro. I don't know what's the reason behind it. Yung situation, not the teaching, kasi kinausap ko yung isang kakilala ko doon sa Pampanga branch. Face to face talaga last time pa. So they will be implementing the same here. So wala akong magagawa, diba? Ganun lang naman. But sa akin, there's a reason for that. Maybe masyado na akong workaholic, kailangan ko na magpahinga, ganun bagay ba? Not na lang. There's a reason behind those situation bakit nagkakaganyan tayo. Yeah, I will tell Sir JP na thank you for the opportunity that you have entrusted. Thank you for letting me teach in your institution. So, but with the load that I have, and yun, I can not accept mga ganung bagay. Yun nga. However, if there's an opportunity to be more flexible again, I'm on call. Pwede naman ako usap. Diba? Ganun naman kadali yun basta online. On the other hand, Wesleyan University Philippines, I verified it myself. Tinawagan ko rin si Program Chair Engineer Villara. Yeah, they will be implementing hybrid until siguro next time. But this coming first sem, tuloy pa rin ang hybrid, tuloy ang online. Meron kaming online. Yeah. I am thankful pa rin naman na merong ganun. So, I will be teaching computer engineering pa rin sa Wesleyan. And if naman sa Wesleyan face to face, I think mas okay kasi mas malapit siya. Unlike doon sa Santa Rosa, mas malayo yun. Anyway, that's the good news and the bad news. Bad news is I will not accept na the offer of the Holy Cross to teach face to face. No? It's physically exhausting na pagbabiyahe. I don't want to to destroy my physical my body. Nakaka-sad kasi diba? It's one of our extra din kasi siya, no? But again, that's life. We have to move forward. And it is what it is, diba? Gawin natin ng paraan on how we could earn some extra, no? Again, pagka dumating yung time na may offer sila, grab pa rin natin. And today, presentation of the registration system para sa ating junior police, application of junior police Pipresent ko kay Ma'am Gal later. And then, set up siguro bukas or mamaya doon sa DRRM. Kausapin ko rin si Ma'am Olga tungkol doon. And no more no less. Kausapin ko siguro si Ma'am si Ma'am Olga tungkol naman doon sa fixed asset. Kasi kailangan mo nang i-list down yung mga assets before magpa-repair for the history ng mga tawag dito, history ng repair, summary ng repairs and maintenance, parang sa ganun. Yung GSO, if they are kasi ang alam ko meron silang report na ginagawa so we'll see it kung anong mangyari. Kahapon naman wala naman din problema. So I think that's it for today, no? Thank you very much for watching. Today is June 26, 2024, araw ng Wednesday. Time check, it's 7:43 sa aking kotse. 7:45 sa aking relo. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you again tomorrow.